what's up guys? Today we're going to the Subway Series, Yankees versus Mets. Last time was my first baseball game, this time is my first time at Yankee Stadium. Julian's never been to a New York sports game.
Never.
Are you from New York even?
Alright guys, so we're heading to the Subway Series now. We ended the day early at the store. We closed up around like 4 o'clock. We're all like swarming around. At least someone in the home is there. You got a smart shoot!
Multisport were to get a gapper or hit something out, this place is really going to get loud. Bases loaded, 1 out. First 2 tests in this ball game.
Broken back up the middle and grabbed there by Lindor. He has 1 play, can't make it at first. The ball goes upstairs and gets away from Alonso.
Yankee lead. High ball, not particularly deep. Silva towards the line. Tackling is Bellinger. Bellinger trying to score. Here's the throw. Couple of hot sides in.
Mouth full of glaze.
3-2. Line the other way, past the glove of Peraza down the left field line. Soto around third, heads for the plate. The throw to the plate by Bellinger, not in time. Soto slides home with the first Met run of the night.
Squeeze! The is the Met! Yankees are fucking up. You know what the fuck going on? We in the Bronx! Go back to Queens!
Goldschmidt grounded and through for a base hit. Judge scores. Bellinger advances to third. It's an RBI single for Goldschmidt.
Oh yeah, we at the fucking game. It's fucking 5-1. Mets fucking suck.
Bases was fucking loaded and y'all couldn't do nothing. Nothing!
They hit him.
I'm not trying to hit my nigga with that
I know we down now, but it's okay. Oh, foul. Look at you! Look at you!
Look at me and look at him. They scared.
Anxiety is up because the motherfucker was yelling in my ear. They scared. Who is that?
Having a night.
1-0 to Bellinger, hit high
my
in the air to
God!
right field and
Oh
deep.
my
Soto
God!
back onto the
Say
track
goodbye,
in front of
please.
the wall, makes the one-out catch.
Oh my God. What's the score? What's the score?
Bro, Knicks challenge right now. That's about to get overturned. I don't know what happened, but it's about to get overturned. We're up 80-43. 40 points in the third quarter. It's over. Yankees is up. Up to 9. 6-1. Get them out of here.
That's coming back right now. Right now. Watch.
Get them out of here.
Oh, damn. Shorty got back in the face now, man.
Yo, listen. Fuck Derek White. Fuck Jaylen Brown. Fuck Porzingis.
Fuck Luke Cornett.
Fuck Jason Tatum. Fuck Joe Mazzulla. Fuck Boston. New York are fucking nowhere. You heard?
Yeah, the game not over yet.
Give you guys a break. Even if right now Lindor hits a home run, that's only 3 runs, right? That puts us at 6-4. Still need 2 runs. If Soto hits a home run, that's only 1 score. 1 run. 6-5. You still need another 1 run to tie the game and then score another one to
he said? That job's not done, bro.
Damn, imagine going back to Queens after this. Damn.